Assalamu alaikum student. The mathematical file is on its end and today we are having another practical. Practical number 12 about the more description and division of shapes. We have all the things around us in different shapes. Some shapes are square, some are triangle, some are circular, some are cylindrical, some in flat form and some are in solid form as we have told you before. Today in this particular practical we are going to tell you how we will do fraction through some particular object or a shape. The circle shape is in front of you. In this presentation, the directress shows and tells child to take one proper shape. If we have a circle in front of us, to do the fraction activity, we are going to divide this circle into two. Cut it from the center. Yes, you can keep the cake or the pancake or the bread or might be omelette or paratha in your mind. Cut it into half and you will have 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The more description of the same shape. If we are going to cut this one particular circle into 3 equal parts, like a pizza slice. Yes, a small pizza, cut it into 3. And here we got 1 by 3. 1 upon 3. The third part of that particular shape. Yes, a pizza slice like. More you have to divide. More people are in front of you. Like in division, let's divide this circle into 4. This time, a circle is cutted into 4 parts. 1 by 4. Yes, your pizza is divided more and more. And you got the 4th part of this pizza circle. And here, by this, you got this 4th one as a 1/4. The proper one, the 4th one. Division by division, the fraction happens. The same manners. Cut it into 2, got 2 parts. Cut it into 3, got 3 parts. Cut it into 4, got 4. Then 5, 6, and 7 or less till 8. More you can cut your shape, the more smallest part you will get. And get it, you will have 1 by 8 or 1 by 10 sometimes. The more it is divided, the less is going to be fracted. The fraction is happening by division of some particular shape. Thank you so much.